Hello handbag lovers, I am here with an unboxing. This is a new designer that I have not purchased from either via retail or online. So I'm really excited to share this unboxing just to see what this experience is like. So let me get started and then we both will be surprised by what's included. Well, me not totally surprised, but the experience will be a surprise. Ooh. So, check her out. This is from Versace. Little dust on there. So not sure what that's all about. And let's turn her right side up. Move this out of the way. Let's make sure there's nothing else in here. So it came with pretty good packaging, as you can see, in addition to the box. And then in this card, it is, let me check this out. Looks like it's the invoice, return slip, and this is thank you for shopping at Versace. And that's it. All right, let's dig into this box. Very cute wrapping there. Oops, just open it up. Got a little magnetic closure, so nice box, kind of like the LV. Versace paper. Ooh. Versace dust bag. So I am loving this experience so far. The box here even comes with additional protection, which is very nice. I am impressed. We all know as handbag lovers that sometimes the packaging falls short. So here's the dust bag. And then here is this lovely lady. Awesome. This is the Versace mixed print hobo bag. She is in the color black. You can see she has the python pattern on the back and also on the sides and bottom. Check her out. She has a shoulder strap here, which is in leather. She also has a Barocco, I should say, V tag with the Medusa head, and this is also leather. And if I didn't say it, it is the Barocco mosaic print with the Medusa in the front. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I think I shared before that I want to try a lot of different handbags. Originally, I was totally a Dooney girl. I assume this is the care card, sorry. I originally was a Dooney girl. I've now ventured into being a Coach girl. As you can see from my website, I've done some, or from my YouTube videos, I've done some videos also by looking at some of the luxury brands just to get the experience, and then some of the not high-end brands like Michael Kors and also Tory Burch to just get a feel for those as well. So this is just on my exploration to just see what's out there. So this bag is nylon lining on the inside, and it's black with no organization. It has the Versace leather patch on the back. Versace, not really sure the best way to say that. She does have a top zip closure, and she also has a top button closure. So you can wear her like this on your arm. Check her out. So the outside of this is polyester with leather trim. And in terms of her size, in length, she is 11 inches. And in width, it is 4 centimeters. And in height, she is actually, the width is 1.6 inches. Sorry, I had to do that conversion before. The height is 7.5 inches. The handle drop is 9 inches. This handle is not detachable or adjustable. And this bag is so cute. They had some other prints that I liked that wasn't available. One in purple and one with the Medusa head coins. But we'll see what happens with this. So just a beautiful little bag, something different. I cannot wait to carry her soon here. I also dropped a Mother's Day hint that I would like the matching Python card case. Actually, it wasn't a hint, it was a request, I'll admit. So I'll let you know how that turns out. But anyway, I was so excited to open this and share the experience. This bag is lovely and I want to get more. Thank you all for watching. Have a great Mother's Day. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. I cannot wait to wear this little cutie. I will do another video on what fits, and probably some mod shots would be good with this one. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day.